When considering the purchase of an ironworker, the choice is clear. Edwards. Offering the broadest range of ironworkers in the world, Edwards has the answer to significantly increase your productivity. Handcrafted in America by skilled craftsmen, the Edwards Ironworker brings total flexibility to your shop. The ELITE 110-ton Ironworker comes standard with the exclusive PowerLink system and is engineered with integrated features designed to increase productivity. Equipped with 4 workstations, the ELITE 110-ton Ironworker comes standard with a punch, flat bar shear, angle shear, and an open workstation that can be custom fit with any of 12 optional attachments, including the 12-inch brake. In standard configuration, the ELITE 110 Ironworker is capable of punching holes in mild steel from 1/8 inch to 1 1/16 inch and accepts round, square, oblong, hex, metric, and custom punch shapes for all your punching needs. The quick change punch and swing away stripper assembly reduces downtime by making changing punches and dies simple. The nickel-plated premium gauging tables increase working area, and the pedestal die table design allows the operator to punch angle iron leg down. For increased longevity, the 4-sided flat bar shear blades and angle shear blades are made of precision machined, high-quality tool steel. Perfect for shearing up to 14-inch wide flat bar steel. Designed to shear both thick and thin angle iron, the angle shear blades include 2 cutting radiuses. The integrated roller and coated measuring system delivers precision shearing on the flat bar workstation. The hydraulic hold down further increases productivity by automatically engaging on both the flat bar and angle shear. One of our most popular attachments, the 12-inch brake with 4-way die, produces up to 90-degree bends on plate steel, ranging in thickness from 1/16 inch to 1/4 inch, and easily forms brackets and frames. Operator friendly, the ELITE 110-ton is standard with an electric foot pedal with integrated jog control. Edwards Ironworkers have ANSI-compliant guarding and ETL-certified controls. The exclusive PowerLink system makes the ELITE 110-ton Ironworker a power source that will boost your shop's ability to get more done. Simply plug in and power up any of our PowerLink hydraulic tools, which instantly expands your shop's capabilities. So what are you waiting for? Inquire today to learn more about any of our industry-leading Edwards Ironworkers with the exclusive PowerLink system. Edwards Ironworker. Build your legend.